Hey everyone, welcome to Christina Cakes It. I'm Christina and today I'm showing you how to make a buttercream glitter cake. I've always wanted to make a glitter cake and it's such an interesting technique and it's actually much easier than I thought it would be. So I thought that I would share this with you guys. So to get started, I have a 6-inch cake and this cake is going to be covered in buttercream. It was really important to me that I share a technique that uses buttercream and not fondant because buttercream is like 90% of the time what my cakes are made with. So anyway, I have my buttercream cake here and it's just obviously crumb coated, and what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to layer on another coat of buttercream, and I'm using the color of buttercream that I'm going to be using for the glitter. So it's really important that your color of frosting matches the color of glitter that you have, and I'm going red today because I'm gonna be making a Christmas themed glittery cake. I forgot to say this, so add it back in earlier. So I am applying this coat of red buttercream to a chilled cake. So this cake was in the refrigerator overnight, so it's nice and cool, so that I can layer on this next, don't say that. Okay, so this cake has been chilled. It just came out of the refrigerator. We do need the cake cold before, never mind, just don't say anything. I can't talk today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the fridge for about 30 minutes while I get set up for the next step. So my cake is out of the fridge and it is cool to the touch and it is ready to have its glitter layer applied. So what I have here is a little bit of edible disco dust. I just got mine on Amazon. And I also prepped my area. So I anticipate this is gonna be very messy. So I covered this whole thing with saran wrap. Glitter is like when you airbrush a cake and it just gets everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is use a brush to apply the glitter. And this is a brand new makeup brush. I also got this on Amazon for $7. And I'm just going to simply apply the glitter directly to the cake. So just dipping my brush into the glitter, and I'm just going to pat this right onto the cake. I've seen this technique done with an airbrush, and although I have an airbrush, most people do not own one. So I wanted to make this a technique that anybody could do with very few tools. So we're getting that really good sparkle. So I am being pretty generous with my glitter because I do want this to really show up. This looks really beautiful just from my naked eye looking at this. I'm so excited. I feel like you can use this technique for so many different things, like a princess cake, New Year's, obviously Christmas, just all kinds of different things. Maybe somebody wants a glitter wedding cake, I don't know. I'm also just gonna say it, I was a little excessive by covering the whole area with saran wrap. It's a little bit messy, but I don't think I needed all of this. I guess better safe than sorry. I think because I taught elementary school for so long, I have flashbacks of art projects with the kids and just glitter everywhere. So I'm just going to add a few final touches to the cake. my buttercream glitter cake is done, and I love how this turned out, and this is so cute and so festive for Christmas, but obviously you can do so many different things with this glitter technique. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do this. I hope you try it as well. And if you did like this episode, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.